How to stop auto zoom on snipers in CS2. So first, you just simply need to open up your settings right here. Now go to game, then go to item. Once you're there, as you can see, there's an option to enable or disable auto resume sniper rifle after a shot. So just simply set that to no. As you can see, when I take a shot, it doesn't go back to scope anymore. But sometimes that feature or this setting is useful. So I set it to yes, and what I just do to so let's say I don't want to resume my sniper, I just swap it to my knife fast and equip my sniper really fast again. So take a shot and equip your knife, then go back to your sniper so it doesn't resume. But if I want to resume it, I'll just, of course, take a shot and it will automatically resume since I have the settings turned on. So I just usually do that since going auto zoom or having that resume setting is pretty useful sometimes on a situation. But if I just don't want to use it, I'll just go use my knife, equip my knife, and go back to my rifle really fast, just like that. And that's basically it.